Gray wolves, scientifically known as Canis lupus, are highly social and intelligent mammals that belong to the Canidae family. They are one of the most widespread and adaptable species of wolves, inhabiting a diverse range of ecosystems across North America, Europe, and Asia. Despite their importance in maintaining ecosystem balance, gray wolves have faced historical persecution, leading to declines in some populations. Conservation efforts have been implemented to protect and restore wolf populations in various regions. Wolves are exceptionally well suited to thrive in cold environments due to a combination of anatomical and behavioral adaptations. Their thick, double-layered fur coat, featuring an insulating underfur, acts as a formidable barrier against harsh weather conditions. This, coupled with a compact body shape that minimizes heat loss, allows wolves to efficiently conserve energy and stay warm in chilly climates. Robust paw pads and retractable claws provide traction on icy surfaces, while their keen instincts drive behavioral adaptations like huddling together for warmth and seeking shelter during extreme cold. Gray wolves are opportunistic carnivores with a diverse diet that primarily consists of ungulates, particularly in North America, where their prey includes elk, deer, moose, and caribou. In other regions, their prey may include wild boar, musk, oxen, and smaller mammals such as beavers and rabbits. Wolves are known for their cooperative hunting behavior, where they work together as a pack to increase the likelihood of a successful hunt. While ungulates are their main focus, wolves can adapt their diet based on the availability of prey in their habitat, showcasing their versatility as predators.